Vegetarian cooking and healthy eating are neglected television programming fare in the long line of cooking shows. But now available at no cost to you is Go Veggie with Kay, a beautifully produced, highly informative, entertaining series of half-hour cooking programs serving up delicious, fun, and easy-to-make vegetarian cuisine.
Hello, I'm Kay Stepkin, a longtime Chicago advocate of healthy vegetarian eating. Welcome to Go Veggie with Kay. We're here in the kitchen of a Whole Foods Market in Evanston, Illinois. And in today's show, a stir-fried primer, I'll be showing you how to make a tofu and vegetable dish with tasty brown rice and a special seasoning. Also, we're going to take you to the only organic tofu company in Chicago, Moo Tofu, and we'll see tofu as it's made from the soybean. Then back in the kitchen to bake a very healthy almond cookie.
Go Veggie with Kay is healthy television, targeting an audience aware of and wanting nutritional direction for their increasingly health-oriented lifestyle.
And as always, we're here to show you new ways of creating good health through foods that will prevent illness.
Kay Stepkin is not only one of the finest vegetarian chefs, she brings to her programs a solid credibility in the increasingly expanding areas of vegetarian and vegan living. Kay is known worldwide for her expertise and is always sought out as a news source on vegetarian matters, not only because of her standing, but for the comfortable, pleasing ways she communicates.
I'm sure you can hear this. I wish you could smell it.
At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little flour and put that on the table.
Go Veggie with Kay programs often feature guest chefs or the nation's leading vegetarian experts, doctors and nutritionists who've worked closely with Kay Stepkin's Go Veggie organization.
When people eat lots of meat, lots of dairy, lots of oil, lots of refined food, they get high blood pressure, diabetes, heart disease, cancer. And if you take them off these foods and feed them on a healthy diet, many of these conditions will reverse and people get their lives back.
As you make recipes and menu plans with a high level of these antioxidant and phytochemical-rich food, that's the mechanism via which your body no longer wants to crave eating junk food. Because people don't realize that these high-nutrient foods diminish the appetite, stop food cravings, and take away that addictive hunger.
I love bread. In fact, my car license plate is B-R-E-A-D.
You can really see the rising going on now at this point with this dough. I'd like to cut half of it for you so that you can do your own, and I'm going to do my own.
You gave me the bigger half.
Kay occasionally takes your viewers out of the kitchen and to facilities like this organic tofu manufacturing company, where soybeans are processed into one of the staples of vegetarian eating.
Yoshi is taking the curds from the soy milk that we got by coagulating it with nagari. He's putting these curds in tubs with holes at the bottom, lined with cheesecloth, and holes at the bottom so the liquid drains out. He's then going to create air pressure to squeeze all of that liquid out. And what you have left is tofu. Today I'm going to be showing you our tofu and more recipes, Mexican style, which includes tofu quillas, a cucumber salad, chunky guacamole, and a great little galleta or cookie.
The variety of choices presented in the Go Veggie with Kay programs offer a vegetarian video cookbook, and the features and guests that accompany the food preparation make the series unlike anything available on the subject. Adding to the appeal, your audience can interact with Go Veggie on the internet or by sending for recipes and other Go Veggie information.
Whether you're a longtime vegetarian or are just beginning to try new ways of eating without meat, you're going to find dishes like this to be wonderful, delicious, and healthy choices.